If you're visiting London from abroad, you have a few options for being able to use your phone while you're here. And by the way, if this is going to be your first time visiting London, I have a special freebie for you at the end of this video. First off, if you're from a non-EU country, you should check with your phone provider at home to see if they offer any international phone plans. Some of them actually have some affordable options now, and that's going to be the easiest way for you to be able to stay connected while you're in London. And if you're from the EU, for the time being, as long as the UK stays in the EU, you can use your phone plan from home without any additional charges or fees. Your next option is to get a UK SIM card. As long as your phone is unlocked, which you can just check with your mobile provider to make sure that it is, you can swap out your local SIM card from home to a UK one, and it's going to be a much more affordable option for you. You have a couple options for where you can get a SIM from. First, you can get one ordered to you at home, even if you live abroad, from giffgaff. So I'll leave a link in the description for where you can order that from. Or you can wait till you get here and you can pick one up at the airport, at a convenience store, at the supermarket. There are tons of places you can get them. And you should also make sure you go for a pay-as-you-go plan, and how much data you're gonna need just kind of depends on you and how much you plan to use it. If you have a lot of people in your travel party and you don't plan on splitting up, then it might actually make more sense for you to get a 3G pocket Wi-Fi device. Everyone can connect their device to the pocket device and use it for using the internet and for getting 3G. Now, you can't specifically make phone calls off of the device. However, you could use WhatsApp or Skype to make phone calls through 3G if you need. I will leave a link in the description of this video to a company that supplies them, and you can figure out for yourself if that's going to be the best option for you. Wi-Fi is fairly easy to find around London, but I personally would not recommend that you rely on only using Wi-Fi to get yourself out and about London. So I would suggest to instead go with one of the options that I just talked about before. Now, if this is your first time visiting London, then you're gonna wanna grab my free London 101 guide. It has everything you need to know before you get here. You can get that by clicking the card popping up in the corner or the link down in the description of this video. And for more tips for planning your London trip, click the video that is popping up right below me. To get a 3D, do it again. Oh, I'm like boring. Again.